Hello and welcome back to Someday Is Now. Today we're going to take you on a tour of Sam Houston Jones State Park, located near the city of Lake Charles in southwestern Louisiana. It encompasses 1,087 acres of woodlands, lakes, and rivers. Stay until the end of the video to learn how you can stay here for half price. The park features 30 brand new full hookup campsites that all have flat concrete pads with picnic tables and fire pits. These are well-designed back-in and pull-through sites long enough for any rig. If you have Starlink, you will be a happy camper here. Established in 1944, the park was originally named after Texas war hero Sam Houston, but was later renamed to honor Louisiana's 46th governor, Sam Houston Jones, who helped establish the park. On August 27, 2020, Hurricane Laura roared through southwestern Louisiana with winds of 150 miles an hour, taking out 98% of the thick forest of longleaf pine trees as well as the magnolias that lined the entrance road to the park. State Park employees and volunteers joined the effort to reforest the park, helping to plant nearly 20,000 trees. The cypress swamp you see here has two wooden walkways that go over and around the bald cypress trees, with lots of signs warning about the alligators. In addition to clearing the downed trees and planting new ones, the state park has new and improved facilities. A long wooden pier runs along the shoreline of the park's day use area on the Calhoun River, but unlike the other Louisiana state parks, the campground is void of any large trees. Visitors can enjoy fishing, boating, and hiking, including a 1-mile-long nature trail suitable for small children. There are 2 boat launches on the west fork of the Calhoun River, and kayak rentals are available. The 10 deluxe cabins are new as well. Each has a screened patio with outdoor fireplace, heat, air conditioning, kitchen, bathroom, and living and dining areas. Cabins 6 through 10 have water access. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including deer, squirrels, bobcats, rabbits, alligators, otters, nutria rats, raccoons, and foxes. It's located within the Mississippi Flyway, making it a great location for birdwatching. Now, if you're wondering how to stay for half price, all Louisiana state parks offer 50% off for seniors 62 and older. Use the code 62PLUS at online checkout, or just ask for a rebate when you check in. Thanks for watching, and please give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please sign up and hit the bell for notifications about new videos. Thank you and happy trails!